What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be working on this boat here. It hasn't ran in over a year, they said, but we're gonna see if we can get it started today. I got a new starting battery, so hopefully that will be able to take care of that issue, because last time I came here the batteries were dead. So let's see what we can do. What's going on, guys? It's super hot outside, so I don't have a shirt on, but we're about to put on new spark plug cables and new spark plugs, because this is how it was when I opened it up, and all these are mix-max. But we also got new ignition coils, so if those are bad we'll replace those, but we're going to start off with the new cables and spark plugs. So wish us luck.